Welcome back. You're watching Newsnight. And for Finance World, let's go across to our correspondent Arun Sharma. Arun, Finance Minister, is leaving for United States tomorrow. His visit should be important in inviting investment to India.
That's right, Shubhendu. Well, Finance Minister would be leaving for a 7-day official visit, and the basic aim of this visit is to attract investors from USA. We'll get you more on that, but first, the top line. President Pranab Mukherjee says public sector enterprises must take steps to unlock surplus resources to augment economic growth and boost job creation. President says long-term growth prospects of the Indian economy continues to be positive. Finance Minister to leave for United States tomorrow on a 7-day official visit. Finance Minister to attend spring meetings of World Bank and IMF, also to participate in institutional investor meet and long-term and pension funds for making investments in India. Reserve Bank of India Governor cautions the public against any fictitious emails in his or the central bank's name demanding money and asked people not to fall prey to such frauds. Raghuram Rajan emphasizes that Reserve Bank never sends out emails asking for payments. Tata Steel starts UK business sale. It sells long products to Grey Bull Capital. The deal would be completed once a number of outstanding conditions have been resolved. This transaction will offer a future for long products Euro business and its 4,400 employees in the UK. And Shipping Minister Nitin Gadkari says India Maritime Summit to be held in Mumbai from 14th to 16th of April, says Sagarmala project to create more than 1 crore jobs in the country. And Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has said that there is focus on increasing expenditure on rural, social and infrastructure sector, and states must follow the same. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley also added that there is a need to stick to fiscal discipline, which will maintain our global credibility.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has said that with the 14th Finance Commission having substantially raised the state's share in central taxes, states should raise expenditure on social sector and rural infrastructure. The 14th Finance Commission has substantially raised the state's share in central taxes to 42%, which is an increase of 10%. The Finance Minister also emphasized the need for states to stick to fiscal discipline so as to maintain global credibility.
There is now an important national focus that larger expenditure must be spent into the social sector, into infrastructure creation, into rural areas. These are the areas which have been conventionally found lacking in the past. All of us will have to learn to live and spend within the means and stick to the financial discipline.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has stated that even though growth has been challenging worldwide, India has maintained reasonable level of growth. This has resulted in tax buoyancy, and the resultant expenditure available at states' disposal has also increased. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that greater reliance on Aadhaar-based direct benefit transfer is going to be a clear agenda in future. Bureau Report, DD News.
Well, let's get you an update on the stock markets as well. It was a choppy start for the stock markets. However, in last couple of sessions, the buying activity picked up, and Sensex and Nifty, they both ended deep in the green. Well, Sensex was able to cross the level of 300 points, and it ended at 25,022, and it was up by 348 points. Well, the major trigger for the Sensex going up was buying in banking and the rate-sensitive sector like auto and realty as well. Well, Nifty also reflected the same move, and it was up by 116 points, and it ended at 7,671. Well, so that was all about the stock markets, and that's it in this world of finance as well. For the news, back to you, Shubhendu.
Thank you, Arun, for those updates from the finance world.